Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my video. Today I am going to talk about how the power system of Bangladesh is governing and functioning nowadays. Me, Rihan Aktar, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering in Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Before come to the main topic, one question comes to our mind that what is this power system? Basically, an electric power system is a network of electrical components deployed to generate, transfer and use electric power. Here we can see a picture. So what we can understand from here? We can divide this picture into three different tasks. First one is generation, the generation of electric power. Then the transmission of electric power over long distances. After that, distribution of the transmitted power. We distribute the electric power to our houses and then we use the electric power to run different electrical equipments. This is a structure of a power system. The electric grid is a complex system of power plants, transmission lines, substitution and distribution lines that transmit electric power from the place where it's generated all the way to consumer members at the end of the lines. There's a breakdown of the path electricity takes to get to right our home. Electricity is generated at a power plant. Power plants can use coal, natural gas, or oil to make steam. Some power plants use nuclear power. There are also natural sources of power dams, hydroelectric plants, solar arrays, and wind turbines. The power plants use their power sources to turn a generator. Usually, power plants have several generators running at the same time that produce a lot of electric power. The power is transmitted at high voltage and then distributed at low voltage, so we can use it in our house. Transformers are used to raise the voltage 69,000 or 138,000 volts, which allows for more efficient transmission to substitution miles away or into a network that connects to other power companies. So, electricity can be shared efficiently. High voltages are dangerous, so power companies put the high voltage wires up high on transmission towers to get the electricity to a substation. There, it can be converted to about 13,000 volts for distribution to our neighborhood. To use it in our house, there's a transformer on the pole that converts these 13,000 volts to 120 volts that travels through the wires to the house. So, this is how we get electricity to our house from a power system. Now we will talk about how the power system really works in Bangladesh. Here is the structure. In this structure we can see the whole process is conducted by MPEMR. There are many power generation companies in Bangladesh, but BPDB has the highest power generation capacity. There is IPP, which consists of non-government power generation organizations. First of all, the power generation companies generates power and then they supply it to the transmission company, Power Grid Company of Bangladesh Limited, that is PGCB. The transmission company then supply bulk power and then the distribution companies transfer electricity to the ultimate consumers. After PGCB distribute the power to the distribution companies, the consumers get electricity. In this case, BREB supply the most power throughout the country. DESCO and DPDB supplies in Dhaka city. NESCO supplies in north side like Rangpur, Rajshahi. WZPDC supply in west side like Khulna, Borishal, etc. In 2009, there was only 27 power plants with 4,942 megawatt generation capacity, but today there are 138 power plants with 23,548 megawatt generation capacity. Prioritizing the power sector, the government formulated long-term plans to generate 24,000 megawatt electricity by 2021, 40,000 megawatt by 2030 and 60,000 megawatt by 2041. Within a decade, Bangladesh doubled its electrification rate from 47% in 2010 to 98% in 2020. To meet the future demand, construction of some mega projects are in progress, such as Rangpur nuclear power plant, and its capacity will be 3,212 megawatt per unit. Secondly, Rangpur power project. It will be capable to generate 1,320 megawatt. Thirdly, Paira power plant, which will capable to generate electricity 1,320 megawatt per unit. And finally, Matarbari power plant, and its capacity will be 1,200 megawatt. It will be a great advantage for Bangladesh. Thank you for watching.